And welcome everyone to another edition of the HYTORC Solution Series. I'm Tony Marino, along with HYTORC President Eric Junkers. And Eric, let's jump in as we talk about the Lithium Series 2 and that electric torque tool. But it begins, before we get to that tool, with the HYTORC standard.
The HYTORC standard is what it's all about. You know, when we look at developing any products, we look at putting something out into the market, we're trying to find ways that we can deliver value to our customers. And really what that comes down to for us is in superior technology, superior equipment quality, and superior support. Those are the areas those are the things that we offer to the marketplace. And what that means for our customers is we're talking about enhanced job safety, enhanced job quality, precision, less leaks, so forth and so on, and reduced job schedule. So really, that's the package. That's what we do in a nutshell. That's what the HYTORC standard says. And what that translates to for our customers is value. That's what we're always trying to deliver. And we feel that if we can enhance the job safety, the job quality, and reduce the job schedule, we are doing just that for our customers. We are giving them a rapid return on investment. We are helping them to get online faster to enhance their overall productivity. That's what we're all about as an organization.
Well, that's where it started, and what it produced was the Lithium Series 2. Learn more in this short video.
HYTORC introduces the next generation battery-powered electric bolting tool, the Lithium Series 2, an evolution in bolting technology. The familiar portable and ergonomic tool delivers major improvements in durability, functionality, and usability. A built-in transducer directly measures the torque applied, delivering high-quality, traceable results. Efficiency is improved more than 10% by the all-new brushless motor. The all-aluminum handle provides unsurpassed protection and durability. Dual-speed gearboxes are 20% stronger for greater reliability under heavy loads. Gearboxes and handles are nickel-plated, providing corrosion protection. The new series includes a 5,000 foot-pound model to handle greater loads. The new rear shock guard protects the LCD screen and buttons. A work light enhances visibility and safety. Viewing is much easier with the new high-resolution LCD screen. Hall effect sensors improve trigger reliability. The sliding directional switch makes changing direction easier. The graphical interface and intuitive menu system significantly improves usability. The new Snug feature helps bring bolting surfaces into alignment. A hierarchy of 5 administrative levels provides secure access to all tool functions. Expansion of job data management features allow greater flexibility and efficiency in verifying work performed. Wireless Bluetooth is now standard, making data acquisition and printing easier. Expanded settings allow finer control of bolting operations and user preferences. New advanced bolting functionalities significantly expands the operational capability of the tool. Compatible with standard reaction arms, the HYTORC washer, and the HYTORC nut, this tool provides the world's safest and most efficient bolting solutions. The Lithium Series 2 from HYTORC sets the standard for portable, efficient, and safe bolting.
Well, Eric, that video provides a great overview of this tool. There's so much more to learn about. Let's dive in and talk about really the 3 main points of this tool.
Yeah, we looked at, with our first release of a battery-operated tool, the BTM, we've had that out for about 5 to 7 years at this point, and we've gotten a lot of feedback on it. And really, the areas that we look to enhance were based on that feedback. And really, what it came down to is the functionality, the durability, the usability. And you know, that's something that was important to us. Is that okay? If we're going to come out with the next generation of battery-operated tooling, that it really has to make an impact for our customers. And so these were the areas that absolutely were by far the ones that our customers in the marketplace had mentioned they would like to see some enhancements on, some improvements on, and there's a lot in that.
Well, let's peel back and take a look first at the expanded functionality. It all begins, you talked about it with the HYTORC standard, the superior technology and the TorqueSense technology.
Yeah, the TorqueSense technology is really a terrific enhancement or advancement for our tool. What it enables you to do is, at the end of the day, we have the most accurate battery-operated torque tool in the world market, without question. And we do that with a system that we call TorqueSense technology, which provides you with direct torque measurement, a strain-based transducer, closed-loop monitoring, At the end of the day, what it ends up doing is providing you more accurate and repeatable torque. And that is something we're really excited about, because the fact of the matter is that's huge. That makes a big difference if we can have repeatable torque and precise torque.
And that's, again, listening to what your customers, what they're saying out there in the field, that feedback you're getting. And then you talk about really the advancements. Here's a great example of the advancements in this tool.
We needed to expand the line. That was something that many of our customers were asking for. They were saying, can we move it? Can we offer a 5,000? And we're doing just that. And so, we're really excited to have that as a part of our arsenal now, because we do know that it really answers a segment there that previously there were not many options for, and now we have it.
Yeah, the increased torque certainly meets a lot of the demand out there. Even more functionality involved with this tool.
Yeah, there's a lot in this tool. There's no question about it. And so, these are some highlights. These are just some of the big items. For instance, the snug feature, which helps bring bolting surfaces into alignment, reduces time and effort. You don't have to strain like this poor fella here on the bottom left. That was a big one. Many of our customers were saying, for the types of applications and industries this tool is used in, having this snug feature would make a big difference. It's part of their procedures, built in. That's not to mention the advanced bolting features. These are, again, 3 high-level items, some of the big ones that our customers in the marketplace was asking for. Turn angle, torque check, rotations. These are things that, if it's something that we know many of our customers were asking for, begging for, and we've got it built in right out of the gates, right out of the box. You'll have these features. So we're excited to offer them. We know it'll make a difference.
Yeah, meeting the demands of what they're asking for. Now, these guys are in situations out in the field, they need a durable tool.
Yeah, they sure do. And that's something that, maybe durability and these types of tools, the electronic tools, is not always, they're not always thought of together. But we're looking to change that. And you can see that right out of the gates with the tool here. And if you've seen it in person, it's got an all aluminum handle. That's the first of its kind, first battery operated tool with an aluminum handle. And that just does wonders for the durability, as you can imagine that it would, as opposed to plastic type of handles. Beyond that, we've got a more efficient brushless motor. It's quieter, has longer life. That's something that's absolutely going to contribute towards the durability. Less downtime, less maintenance. 20% stronger gearbox, nickel-plated, that gearbox being nickel-plated as well, all with expanded durability in mind. We want this tool to work for you through thick and thin, no matter what the environment is, no matter what the situation is, and we're confident that it's going to do just that.
Yeah, you don't have to hold your breath when you drop that. Let's get back to a little bit of the technology part, not as much as, say, the torque sense, but the technology part. Is this high-resolution display that they're working with?
Yeah, big part of the feedback, one of the big items was with regards to the display, making it more intuitive, making it brighter, making it easier to read, and that's something we put a lot of time and effort into, and I think the feedback already has been very positive about this new system, this new operating system, with the 4 times higher resolution display, a more intuitive menu, clear home screen, easy navigation, access levels. That's something that was absolutely asked for by many. I mean, that was maybe one of the bits of feedback that was almost unanimous, giving us access levels so we could limit certain individuals, certain people from being able to access the torque settings and things like that, so that you can really just make it very simple point and shoot type of operation. There's a maintenance counter built in. Again, folks wanted to be able to set their maintenance intervals based on the amount of cycles that the tool sees. We've got that built in. You can see it, access it, and then set your maintenance off of that. You're not setting it off of arbitrary time frames or anything like you were forced to do before without a counter. So on the screen here, you see an example of the main menu, and you can get a sense for just the host of different options you have. This tool is highly customizable, but at the same time, we didn't want to make it highly complicated, and it's anything but that. We took a lot of time and effort into making this intuitive, making it easy, but making it really jam-packed full of features. And I really think we've accomplished just that, and we're excited to share it with everyone.
Not complicated, very user-friendly. Talk about more usability. There are situations they need this automatic work light that's there.
Yeah, it's something that's pretty basic, you could say, but something that's a big step forward, and it's having a work light built into the tool, which shines at an angle right at the application to ensure safe, operation. And that's something that's so important to us. As mentioned, that's the number one value benefit we're looking to achieve, looking to bring to our customers. And this is a big step for that because it ensures that you're doing the job properly, you have your hands out of harm's way, away from any pinch points, any hazards. And yeah, it's something that's built into every LST.
The laundry list of features, and then you've got the accessories that come along with this tool.
Yeah, sort of a hallmark of HYTORC is providing a variety of different accessories to enable one to attack every type of application that's out there and do it safely, do it properly, do it effectively. And here's just some of the big ones that again, the feedback was resounding. They wanted to see, and we're happy to offer it right out of the gates. A side handle, again, very straightforward, but a big step forward. Goes right on the side of the tool, enables you to operate that tool safely, effectively, orient it properly. It's really the way that you should be handling this tool as opposed to grabbing it in other parts. A tool hanger, similar type of idea, enables you to hang it off of, say, an overhead crane or something else, really makes the tool weightless. That's a big deal if you're doing repetitive work and you just, you're going to be constantly having to use this tool and hold the tool. That will really make a world of difference. And then we've got the battery pouch. Again, something that was asked for, something that we're happy to offer right out of the gates. It just is a protection for the battery. So for any drops, it'll ensure the battery stays on, doesn't fall off. That's a big deal if you're working at heights, if you're working in different environments where certainly having any items fall off of the tool is unacceptable. And this will ensure that doesn't happen and protect that battery to ensure that it works and that it lasts the amount of time that it should.
All of this about improving usability. Talk about the flexible configurations that come with the tool.
Yeah, same type of idea, enabling our customers to use to be able to use our tool in a variety of different spaces, in a variety of different applications and industries. And here's really the three big ones as far as we are concerned as an organization. We've got our conventional torque setup that you can see right here on the left side of the screen. Just a basic reaction member setup. Everyone generally has seen that, and that's something obviously the tool can have as a configuration. But then moving beyond that, it was certainly very important to us that we enabled this tool to work with our HYTORC washer system, which is something that is a big step forward. We have a variety of videos on YouTube and so forth where one can learn more about this system, but it does wonders for job safety, job quality, job schedule reduction, and so we had to ensure that this tool works with it. All you do is change out the driver. Pull that driver off, put the other driver on. Same holds true for the HYTORC nut, which is our replacement nut system. Again, big advancements, job safety, job quality, so forth, the job schedule reduction. And again, simple change out. So our idea was enable one to just really have one tool for every job. And this is the closest we've really come to doing that. And it's evident on this screen with the three different major configurations that we can offer.
Accessories, configurations, there's a lot that comes with this tool. Go back to the technology. I mean, today's day and age, data capture is so important in the HYTORC Connect app. That gives your customers the opportunity to do that.
Yeah, we needed to have connectivity with this tool. We needed to be able to capture the data. And really what that comes down to is just being able to get the data from the bolting job onto a computer somewhere so that you have a permanent paper trail. That's really what it comes down to. You're taking away from someone manually being forced to write it down and to do different extra steps in the bolting processes to ensure that the right torque was put onto the job and so forth and so on. Very time-consuming sort of manual process that is less than ideal. If we can get away from it, we want to, and that's what we're offering here. The HYTORC Connect app goes onto a PC. It will wirelessly connect with our LST tool. It will take all of the data of that bolting job, and you will be able to see who the user was, exactly what torque was applied, and obviously if that torque was proper. You either see yes it was or no it wasn't, and we're going to show you a little example of that momentarily.
Yeah, superior technology. Let's learn more about the HYTORC Connect app.
The HYTORC Connect app now brings the world of digital connectivity to electric torque tools. Using Bluetooth wireless technology, the app seamlessly communicates with the tool. The app synchronizes with the tool, enabling data exchange. The graphical user interface provides easy access to all tool capabilities. All bolting parameters entered on the app are instantly sent to the connected tool. users can conveniently enter job IDs and bolting profiles, preparing the tool for various jobs. Administrators can quickly configure all the tool settings and options. Each bolting operation is monitored to provide feedback to the user on the Connect app. The app captures all bolting results for job verification, analysis, and ongoing quality improvement. With the Connect app for electric torque tools, HYTORC makes your bolting safer, faster, and simpler. Contact HYTORC to learn more about the Connect app.
We've learned about the features, the accessories, the technology that comes with it. Now let's see this tool in action. We'll send it over to Eric for a demonstration.
So I'm here with our LST 700, which is our unit that maxes out at 700 foot-pounds. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how it works. This configuration is for the HYTORC washer, as we mentioned before. It's just a simple drive change and allows you to work with our HYTORC washer system, which, as you can see, does not have any reaction members, which greatly enhances the safety due to the elimination of pinch points. Just to give you a sense of how it works, simply you dial in your torque on the screen there with the buttons. As you can see, I'm just going up and down from 495. We're going to settle in at 500. And I'm going to apply 500 foot-pounds to this fastener. And what you're going to see is it populated on the HYTORC Connect app, as we had mentioned before. So simply apply it, pull the trigger. Very straightforward. And here, you're going to see it populate. And right there, you can see that the bolting job was done. Okay was the result. 500 foot-pounds was the desired torque, and it was done. The user ID, Eric, which is myself. And that's really what this tool can allow you to do. Give you full data capture of every bolted joint so that you have a paper trail to ensure that the precision of the job was done properly, the bolting work was done right, and that you can rest assured that your bolted joints will stay together properly throughout the years. So that was just a small example, a demonstration of our tool. Inquire today for a free demonstration.
Thanks, Eric. And recently, we gave some of our customers an opportunity to preview this tool at the last OTC event.
Wow, that's crazy.
Success.
We're really excited about it. Watch the screen.
There you go.
Get out. You don't even feel that. That's incredible. You can do that. That is award-winning technology.
You're kidding me. That's it. You're kidding me. That's cool. I was just amazed that I didn't do a lick of work.
Yep.
I love it.
That is impressive.
All right, I'm pro at this. Success.
And now it's time to go down under. And joining us now is Cliff Francis. He is the territory manager of, you guessed it, HYTORC Australia. Cliff, thanks so much for joining us today.
My pleasure, Tony. Thank you for having me.
Cliff, as we talk about the Lithium Series 2 tool today, why don't you tell us about your customers' overall experience with that tool?
Absolutely, Tony. Our Australian customers love the ergonomics of the tool, the robustness, the way it feels in your hand. The side handle has been a key part of the tool that they all appreciate the most. The software is easy to use. It's very systematic, user-friendly, and quick to navigate around the menus. They love the way they can easily extract data. It's a user-friendly, streamlined process to transfer data. One of the big things they really like is the brushless motor, the stronger gearbox. The aluminum housing is more robust and stands up to rugged use. The LED lights, it screens extremely bright. It's easy to read. The work light has been fantastic and well received. Speed of the tool is excellent, and the customers are absolutely blown away when they see and use this tool, Tony.
Cliff, let's talk application. Do you have an example of where this tool addressed a specific challenge that one of your customers was facing in an application?
We sure do. Much of our success has been in mining, where previous tools were not holding up as well as the customers like. So HYTORC listened. Our customers like the reliability of the aluminum housing. These tools stand up well in these tough conditions. They love the bright light, the LED screen, and the work light when it is used in dark places. They really see this tool as a major step forward for rugged use in the mining environment.
Any insights into the Lithium Series 2 tools, overall product offerings and the benefits for your customers?
Sure. When we sell this tool, we go through thorough basic training. We give more advanced training to those managing the process. Training is provided at no cost. Our customers are valued that we provide extensive interaction and consulting. Collaboration has always been key for HYTORC, listening to our customers, engaging with them. We also provide 24/7 service to make sure we stand behind these tools. The tool has been much easier to service because the reliability has been better. Everything about this tool just screams this is the best there is out there. Overall, the tool has been well received. Our customers are proud to use the tool, and we're expecting big things to come.
Cliff, tremendous insight. Thanks so much for joining us today. We appreciate it. Be well.
Thank you very much, Tony.
And now it's time to welcome Hamdi Ben Salam. He is the Global Sales Manager for HYTORC in the Middle East and North Africa. Hamdi, thanks so much for joining us today.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Hamdi, why don't we start out with your customers' overall experience with that Lithium Series 2 tool?
Sure. In Saudi Arabia, we sold the LST 2000 and 5000 models. They were sold to a contractor operating in oil and gas sector. And that is one of the main industries in the Middle East. The customer saw and tried the tool, and he discovered many features. One of them is the convenience to use the tool, and also the screen in the backside was very clear and visible. Portability also was important to him, so he could take it and use it anywhere. Overall experience was very satisfying.
Hamdi, can you give us an example of how this tool addressed a challenge that your customer was facing with an application?
Right. So they use this tool for an application which is called valve testing, and specifically blinding and deblinding. So they use this procedure several times within the shift. We talk about 5 to 10 valves they do per shift, and that is 150 to 200 volts. Initially, they used the hydraulic wrench, and it was relatively slow. With the LST, they really improved the number of volts per shift. Therefore, they increased the number of valves they can achieve per shift. So they were convinced, and they were so convinced that they purchased the right tool for the right application for them.
Any insights on the LST product offering benefits for your customers?
Of course. So the LST, what we did with the customer first thing is when we delivered the tool, we did the training for him, and we also helped him to maximize the features for his operations. The training will help him also to ensure the longevity of the tool. We also provided the customer with excellent service, and he was very happy. They could see that also another feature they could utilize, which is the reaction-free bolting. So once they use the tool, along with the high torque washer system, they can improve the efficiency and safety.
Yeah, and you mentioned the support there. Quality support, of course, part of that HYTORC standard. Hamdi, thanks so much for joining us today. We truly appreciate it.
Thank you so much.
And we continue on with the HYTORC Solution Series, and now it's time to welcome in Eric Garcia. Eric is an area manager for HYTORC of Southern California. Eric, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Tony. Thank you for having me.
Eric, let's start with your customer's overall experience with the Lithium Series 2.
Overall experience has been great. We've had customers love the durability of the gun, the portability, and the quality of the gun.
Eric, you guys are the boots on the ground, the guys out there each and every day. You hear the challenges that your customers are facing. Why don't you give us a specific example of a challenge that your customers face and this tool was able to address during an application?
One great example would be tower cranes. Crane companies currently have a vertical challenge, as you guys might know. Currently, they've been using hydraulic tools, and they've been using our pneumatic tools. So they have to carry up the equipment up tower to start bolting. With LST, there's less moving parts, less stuff you can move. You can take up tower and use. They also like the feature that their current tower crane reaction arms they have, they could use this with our LST guns. So it's very beneficial for them. They like the feature that you could just set the tool, set the torque on the fly, and pull the trigger and start bolting. So it speeds up the process significantly.
Eric, how about some additional insights just into the overall product offerings and the benefits to the customer, including support that comes with it?
We have great support. We normally do at least 1 hour training with each new gun that we sell. So we provide a training on how to operate the gun, how to set the gun. Any troubleshootings that they have, they can always give me a call or give anyone a call, and then we can troubleshoot it over the phone. It's not really troubleshooting, it's more just helping them set up the tool properly so they can use. If we do need is any problem with the tool, we do have a local office here in Ontario. They would either go there, drop off the tool, or have a technician come out and do the repair on site. But overall, it has been very positive.
Really comprehensive. Eric, great to hear. Thanks a lot for joining us today.
Thank you.
And the Lithium Series 2 tool is now the most award-winning electric torque tool.
The Lithium Series tool from HYTORC is now a multi-award-winning tool recognized for its outstanding technology, innovation, and design. The tool was honored with the Spotlight on New Technology Award at the 2019 Offshore Technology Conference. The prestigious award is granted for original and groundbreaking technology. The Lithium Series 2 also received the Pro Tool Innovation Award as the industry's best power tool. The Pro Tool Awards are judged based on innovation, performance, and value. The tool was also honored with the Good Design Award. The Good Design Award recognizes innovation in design, function, and aesthetics. The Lithium Series 2 is now setting the standard as the most awarded electric torque tool, the HYTORC standard. Never settle for less.
And Eric, yes, the most award-winning electric torque tool. It's a great honor, really a great nod to your engineering team as well.
Yeah, it is. You know, we put a significant amount of time and effort into the development of this tool, again, taking considerable amounts of feedback from the marketplace, and we put our engineers and everyone involved in the development really to the test and said, we want something that's a major advancement for this area. And, you know, we do feel we accomplished that, and that's something we were very happy about. But then, in addition to that confidence, to get recognized by these outside groups is something we're very proud of and honored by. And you can see these are some very prominent, well-known groups like the OTC show here on the left, the PTIA Good Design Award. These are really things that you know, it's exciting to see that recognition. And again, we're very proud of it, and I think it's well deserved. And I'm happy to see that recognition come through. So it was a great thing for us.
Certainly some prestigious organizations. Eric, now everybody wants to know, how do they get their hands on one? How can they order now?
Well, it's pretty straightforward. I mean, we have our global group of HYTORC bolting specialists. Really, wherever you may reside, we have a dedicated HYTORC bolting specialist. That's something that is very unique about HYTORC. That's a big part of that HYTORC standard of superior support. So all of these groups and individuals are set up with demonstration tools. They are set up with tools to purchase. So really, yeah, you can order today. Some typical ways of approaching it would be by contacting our representative, of which you can find on our website, of which you can connect with, you know, through social media or what have you. Set up a demonstration. We're happy to come out there, do some work with you, show you how it works, even leave it behind for a free trial. Take it, use it with your team, get a sense for what it can do for you, and come back to us with feedback. So that's really the stage we're at. It's out, and we can't wait until you get a chance to see it, because I really think you're going to be excited about what we've come up with, and you're going to see the differences that it makes on your work, and we can't wait to be a part of it.
Well, as Eric mentioned, plenty of ways to connect. You've got HYTORC.com, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Check out the YouTube channel. Plenty of videos there. That's going to do it for this edition of the HYTORC Solution Series. For Eric Junkers, I'm Tony Marino saying thanks for joining us, everyone. Have a good day.